Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. Today we're making one of those cozy, feel-good meals the whole family can enjoy. Homemade Hamburger Helper. It's creamy, flavorful, and comes together all in one pan. The best part is quick, affordable, and totally customizable. Whether you're cooking gluten-free, like I am, or using traditional pasta, so if you're looking for a go-to weeknight dinner that's kid-approved and stress-free, this is it. Let's get started. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. They're all listed below in the description box for easy reference. We're keeping things simple but flavorful. You're going to start by finely chopping your onion and mincing a few cloves of garlic. These are going to add a delicious base of flavor to our dish. You're also going to add a little oil to your pan, especially if you're using lean ground beef like I am. Then you're going to go in with your beef and season it generously with garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic and herb blend. You're going to cook it for 6 to 8 minutes, stirring it occasionally until it's brown. Lower the heat to medium, then toss in your chopped onion, and you're going to saute that about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's softened. Then next, you're going to add in your garlic and let it cook for another minute, just until it's fragrant. And now make a small well in the center of your pan. And then you're going to add in the tomato paste. And you're going to let that cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the color deepens. This adds such a rich, savory depth. I also, whenever I add tomato paste, I also add in a pinch of sugar just to balance out the acidity of the tomato paste. Just something I like to do. And after the tomato paste, it's time to deglaze the pan. So you're going to add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and scrape up those flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Okay, so next you're going to pour in your water and heavy cream. And then you're going to stir in the pasta. Bring everything to a boil. Cover, then reduce to medium-high heat. And you're going to let it simmer for about 10 to 14 minutes or until the pasta is tender. Make sure you check occasionally. Be sure to stir around the 10-minute mark and check for doneness, just to see if it's done. And if you're using gluten-free pasta, keep a close eye because it cooks faster and it can get mushy if overdone. Once your pasta is cooked just right, go ahead and pour in 1/4 cup of cold, heavy cream. This helps bring everything together and adds that extra velvety texture. Next, sprinkle in a generous handful of freshly shredded cheddar cheese or your favorite cheese blend. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let the cheese melt down into all this goodness for about a minute. Then lift the lid and generously stir until everything is creamy, cheesy, and perfectly coated. Just look at that. Total comfort in a pan. And there you have it, a cozy, from scratch hamburger helper that's way better than the box. It's rich, savory, and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.